friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to farm and see the farm animals together. तो क्या आप जानते हैं कि फार्म एनिमल्स कौन से होते हैं? चलो आज मैं बताती हूँ. Are you excited to learn farm animals? Yes! So let's go. Look, what inside the farm? A cow. A cow. The baby cow is called the calf. What does a cow say? Moo. Moo. A cow say moo. Moo.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Look, what does the sheep eat? A green grass. A green grass. The baby sheep is called the lamb. Lamb. What does the sheep say? Baa. Baa. Baa.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Audio
And
Jungle.
on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a
Audio
moo-moo.
Jungle.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Audio Jungle.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a
Audio
quack,
Jungle.
there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Audio Jungle.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep,
Audio Jungle.
E-I-E-I-O. With a baa here and a baa there, here a bar, there a bar, everywhere a bar. Old MacDonald had a
Audio
farm,
Jungle.
E-I-E-I-O.
Look, what next? A horse. A horse. The baby horse is called the foal. What does the horse say? Neigh, neigh, neigh. Look, a yellow duck swimming in the water. Do you see the duck? Yeah, this is a duck. A baby duck is called the duckling. What does the duck say? Quack, 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 quack.
Audio Jungle.
Five little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. One, two, three, four. Four little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. One, two, three.
Audio Jungle.
Three little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack,
Audio Jungle.
but only two little ducks came back. One, two. Two little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the five little ducks came back.
What next? A hen. A hen. Look what hen is doing. Do you know the baby hen is called chick? What does the hen say? Cluck, 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 cluck. What's next to the house? A dog. A dog. The baby dog is called puppy. What does the dog say? Hoof hoof. Hoof hoof. Hoof hoof. Look, a cat behind the tree. Do you see a cat? Yes, this is a cat. A baby cat is called the kitten. What does a cat say? Meow, meow, meow. Look, this is a sheep. Sheep. The baby sheep is called the lamb. Lamb. What does the sheep say? Bear.
sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba blue sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Wonderful! We have so much fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.